Hello and welcome to another video. In this video we will talk about Append Variable Activity. If we have an existing array variable in the pipeline, we can add values to that existing array variable by using Append Variable Activity. As I said, this Append Variable Activity will work with only array type variable. Let's go to the ADF. Here I am in the ADF. In this demo we will check Append Variable Activity. Let's drag and drop an Append Variable Activity. First we need to create a variable in the pipeline level. Let's create a new variable, and this variable must be array type because Append variable only works with array type variable. I have given the variable name var array. Let's change the type to array. Let's put some values. I have specified two values in the array. As the variable is array type, we need to put the values within square brackets. Now let's go to the Append Variable Activity. In the general option we can change the name. Optionally we can specify description. Next tab is variables tab. We need to put the variables here. You can see the notice here, Append variables only supports adding to array type variables. Let's click on the drop down. We have only one array type variable in this pipeline, var array. Now we can specify the value which will be added to the variable. Let's give the value 30. So the Append Variable Activity should add this value 30 with the existing values in the array. As we have specified before, 10 and 20 in the array. So this Append variable should add 30 in this array. Now I will add a stored procedure activity to insert this value in the database so that we can check Append variable works correctly. Let's add a stored procedure activity. I created a simple table where I will insert the values from Append Variable Activity using the stored procedure. This table has two columns, ID and value. Let's see the procedure code. In this procedure, it takes one input parameter which is value, and here I am inserting into the table using the value parameter. Let's go back to the ADF. Now we'll edit the stored procedure. Let's select the link service and selecting the procedure. Now I need to add the parameter. The name is value. In the value, we'll add dynamic content. Let's select the variable. Now we can access the array variable using the index. We'll use the index value 2, which is the third value in the array. Let's click on finish. Now debugging the pipeline. Pipeline succeeded. Now we will check the value from SQL. As expected, we receive the Append variable value which is 30. I hope you understood now how append variable works in Azure Data Factory. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.